Enabling or disabling Show My Caller ID on iPhone 15 allows you to choose whether your phone number is visible or hidden when making calls. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, let's head back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Calls and tap on Show My Caller ID. At the top of this screen, you'll see a switch for Show My Caller ID. To turn off Caller ID, toggle the switch to the off position. This will make your number appear as a private number when you call someone. To turn it back on, simply toggle the switch to the on position so that others can see your number when you call, and that's it. Finally, swipe up to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.